Hello, my dear students of class 6 English medium. In my last class, I discussed the humidity of air, and also the humidity of air is measured by a hygrometer. Today I am discussing air pressure and wind. So air has weight and exerts pressure on earth. Air has weight and also exerts pressure on earth. The atmospheric pressure is maximum at sea level. So the atmospheric pressure which is maximum at the sea level surface, the higher we move, the lower is the pressure. The higher we move, if we our movement will be higher and the pressure would be the lower. So the higher we move, the lower is the pressure. Actually, with the height, the pressure is also pressure reduces. The lower is the pressure. Stormy, rainy, turbulent weather results when atmospheric pressure is low. So when the pressure is high, the sky is clear and the weather is calm and fair. So when the pressure is high, sky is clear and the weather is calm and fair. Actually, in the high pressure, when the pressure remains high, there prevails a calm and clear weather. But in the case of low pressure, when the pressure remains low, storms, rains, and other things happens in this time. At this time. So this is actually the opposite of the high pressure. Um, so the instrument for measuring atmospheric pressure is called 14 spam. It is very important. The instrument measuring atmospheric pressure is called 14 barometer, not only barometer. According to the name of the 14, it is called 14 barometer. Okay, clear. What is wind? This is very important. The air that blows parallel to the ground. The air that blows parallel to the ground is called wind. So wind is actually remains parallel to the ground. Is called wind. Then, in order to maintain the equilibrium of pressure, air blows from area of high pressure to area of low pressure. So always air blows from high pressure to low pressure. You should keep in mind that the air blows from high pressure to low area of pressure. If the air pressure falls suddenly at a place, or the pressure of air or air pressure falls suddenly at a place, air from adjacent areas of higher pressure rushes at great speed to the low pressure area. This can cause a storm. This is very important. So actually, when the air pressure falls at a particular place, when the air pressure falls, so from adjacent areas, high pressure rushes to the spot or to the low pressure area to fill up the gap, and it also creates a storm. Okay, this can cause a storm. So wind moving at a great speed can uproot trees. So it is actually a fear storm which creates a great speed which can uproot trees, electric poles, and make houses collapse in its path. This is actually the result of a fierce wind. Fierce wind also always thus appears in a devastating form. So warnings are sounded for fishermen not to go out to the river or sea to catch fish as there is warning. So local administration and police are also warned fishermen not to go out to the river for or the sea to catch fish. Okay, the wind direction is recorded by a wind vane or weather clock. It is very important. The wind direction is recorded by a wind vane or a weather clock. Wind speed is measured by instrument called anemometer. Actually, the speed of the wind. The speed of the wind is measured by an anemometer. Anemometer. Okay. Next one, cloudiness and rainfall. Cloudiness and also rainfall. The cloudy sky covers the earth like a blanket. The heat which reaches the earth during the day amount escape to space if there is a cloudy sky. The temperature at night therefore rises and it feels uncomfortably hot, as we find mm, in summertime, that uh, the heat which reaches the earth during the day amount escape to space if there is a cloudy sky. And if there is a cloudy sky, we actually feels um, uncomfortably hot, and it is also it is not also tolerable for us. It is an uncomfortably, mm, and it also creates the atmosphere um, very eerie. Okay, so um, the measurable portion of cloud in the sky is called cloud cover or cloudiness. So the measurable proportion of cloud in the sky is called cloud cover or cloudiness. In the next page, 49 page, you will find some pictures. First, in clear sky. Clear sky actually indicates the sky is completely free from clouds. Next picture, partly cloud sky. Partly means the sky is partly covered with clouds, and almost overcast. Almost overcast means 75% of the sky are covered with clouds. And in the case of partly cloud sky, 25%, and clear sky 0%. Actually, completely free from clouds, as we find in clear sky. And last one, overcast, 100% cloud cover. The entire sky is covered with clouds. Actually, it is called overcast, 100% cloud cover. Okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you.